Hi, family. This is Dr. Mo with Moya Body Care and Colon Hydrotherapy, and I am your favorite colon hydrotherapist that practices this sacred art of colon hydrotherapy herbs and natural living. So, what is this? I think now I do order a lot of stuff from Amazon. Some of the stuff I don't need, but you know what? Judge your mama. Don't judge me, okay? Because I'm sure your Amazon delivery list is just as extensive as mine, okay? But what I do want to say is this. I believe these are my author copies of my fourth book. So I want to, what is this, unboxing that we're doing? Yas. So let's see. I want to be super gentle and easy if it is. Because if it's Keith Sweat, they didn't put no holes in here for him to breathe. Like, that's not good, you know? I don't think it's Keith Sweat because they would have put holes in the box, right? Let me see. Oh my goodness. This is some lovely strong tape. I wonder if I can buy some to put it on my sister's mouth. How about that? I love you, sister. Let me see. Oh, Jesus. This tape is like hospital tape. You know how you go get blood, or you got to take blood, or they got to take blood from me. They put that white tape. Yeah, anyway. I used to be a phlebotomist, so the patients will always be like, this tape is horrible. And I'm like, yeah, I get it. Okay. So I think I got it. Yo, look at your favorite colon therapist, baby. Yo. Okay, girl, I see you. Wow. My book is amazing. It's amazing. You can now get your book from your favorite colon hydrotherapist on Amazon or her website at moyabodycare.com. It's all worth it. It's all worth it. Even if I don't sell one, I don't care. It's on my bookshelf and I did it. And when I leave this lovely planet and go to another one, you will know that Dr. Mo was here. I'm so grateful. Okay, y'all, I'm done. I'm gonna go celebrate and scream and I'm not having green tea tonight. I'm having something else tonight. It's not green tea. I want to scream. I love it. Y'all, I'm going to go celebrate. I love you. Thank you for being here to celebrate me and support me. Y'all, thank you.